Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your E92 M3 front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a T30 Torx driver and an 8mm socket. It's also helpful to have a 10mm socket for some fasteners. Ensure your car is on a level surface or securely on jack stands for safety and ease of access. Prepare a soft blanket or mat to protect the bumper once it's off. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free removal process, making the job much simpler for you. Next, we'll tackle the undercarriage and wheel wells. Begin by removing the 7 to 9 8mm screws located along the bottom of the bumper. Then, turn your front wheels to one side to gain better access to the fender liner. Carefully remove the 8mm and 10mm screws holding the fender liner in place, then pull the liner back. Repeat this process for the other side, ensuring all fasteners are accounted for before moving on. Now let's focus on the top and sides of the bumper. Pop your hood and remove the 4 T30 Torx screws that secure the top of the bumper to the radiator support. If your M3 has headlight washers, gently pry off their covers and disconnect the spray nozzles. Finally, reach behind the bumper to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights, parking sensors, or other components. These usually have small tabs you press to release them. With all fasteners removed and electrical connections disconnected, the bumper is ready to come off. Gently pull the bumper straight forward, starting from one side, to release it from the side mounting guides. It's highly recommended to have a second person help support the bumper's weight to prevent damage. Once completely free, carefully place it on your prepared soft surface. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.